You can go into the grade setup by clicking on the left-hand side. We've got categories. To add a category, we're going to click on Add. We're going to add class citizenship. We're going to use total points because to make it match in PowerSchool, this is the setting we need, and we're also not going to drop the lowest score. We're going to click Create. And we can add another one. We're going to go ahead and weight our categories by clicking on the check. And we've got these little stars. This just makes it the default category. So chances are most of your assignments are going to be formative assessments. So we're going to click on that little star. And that just makes it the default. It's a time-saving mechanism. And we can look at the scales and rubrics, and we can add different rubrics here. I'll go into adding rubrics in a different video. Grading periods is one of my training courses, but generally it's going to be broken up into your M1, M2, M3, and M4. You're going to set this to our IPS district scale. And then you've got other things that you can look at. Course override column. If you hover over the question mark, it's going to tell you exactly what that means. So you can choose to click on some of these or choose not to check any of them. And then make sure you're going to click Save Changes.